Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SciTech Hub. In our previous video, we covered up JavaScript functions and also made simple calculator using JavaScript with the knowledge of functions. So do watch all our previous videos in this series, as those knowledge will help you when we make plugins and complex add-ons using JavaScript. In this video, we will show you some example on array. But before that, we have to understand what is array. Array is a collection of multiple data. That means we can say in a single variable we can store multiple values. And how can we write the array in JavaScript? So for that, we need to remove all this code from here. So how can we write an array in JavaScript? So for that, there's two ways to write array in JavaScript. First way, so you need to take a variable var array name, give a meaningful name. Here I am giving it array name and new array. Okay, and within this new array keyword, within this parenthesis you need to pass the values you want to store in that array name. Okay, say suppose value 1. I am storing string types of values, so I'm using double quotes, so value 1, and to store another value need to give a comma, then write the another value 2, value 2, value 1, value 2, all the values are comma separated. Okay, so value 3. So this is a way to write a array. Okay, so another way is there. Second way, same thing, var array name and simple square bracket, and within that square bracket you can put this value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. Okay, and if you want to store integer type of values, then simple 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the way we can write array in JavaScript. Okay, so in which scenario we will use that array? Okay, so let me give you an example. If you were working on a school related project, and in that project you need to show all the students name of a class. Okay, so say that particular class has 30 students, and for that will you create a 30 different variable to show that student's name? No, that's a bad idea. So in that scenario you can use that array, like student's name, store all the name here, John Smith, Yana, etc. So and this so there's a scenario in this type of scenario you can use the array. So let's do some example. Okay, so for that I need to create an array. Okay, so let's delete it, and here I will choose this way to create the array, the square bracket. Okay, so let's remove it. I want to show some Avengers name. Okay, so let's create a variable and give it a name, Avengers. Okay, and the Avengers array is created, and now this means the array is null. Okay, now we need to put some name or some data. Okay, first I'm giving it Captain America, second name obviously Iron Man, my favorite, and Thor. Okay, so this so the Avengers array is ready, and it has 3 values: Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. Now we need to know how can we access these values, right? So these values are stored in this array, Avengers array, in 0 1 2 3 these orders, and this 0 1 we called it as index of the array, index of this array. So Captain America's index is 0. Okay, and Iron Man's index is 1. Thor's index is 2. So, and how we can show, say suppose we want to show Captain America's value, our console.log. So that case Avengers, then you need to put square bracket, and within that square bracket you need to define the index of that value. Here we want to show Captain America name, so for that Captain America is at 0 index. So simple, do this console.log Avengers 0. So let's go to that browser. I have printed in console, so browser's console. So how can we check the browser's console? In Google Chrome, simple Control Shift J. Okay, here is the console, and if I refresh it, here's the Captain America. And you can also check the console by right click on that web page and click that inspect element, and by default it is, if you've selected inspect element, that by default it will select that elements tab, and beside that there is console tab. You need to click on that console tab. Here's the Captain America is there. Okay, now if I want to put console.log Avengers 2, so that means so at number 2 index, which value is stored? That is Thor. So let's go to the browser, then we can see the Thor in that console. Yes, there's the Thor. And if I print console.log Avengers 1, then it will show Iron Man. Okay, and let's do another thing. If I print console.log Avengers, let's put 3. Is there any 3 index? No, there only 3 items are there. And remember guys, one thing, that the index always starts from 0. So let's go to the browser, hit it. See, it is undefined. Yes, why it is undefined? Because this Avengers has only 3 items, that is 0, 1 and 2. Number 3, at number 3 index it is not defined. So this is the way you can interact with the values of Avengers. Okay, so there's another thing. If you want to know how many items are present in that Avengers, items means that's values, Captain America, Iron Man, these are the items. Okay, so items or element, you can say anything. So if you want to know how many elements or how many items are present in that in an array, so simple, console.log Avengers, the array name dot length, that is the length of Avengers. Length means the items number. So concatenating this length of array Avengers. Okay, let's go to the browser, hit it. Length of array Avengers is 3. Yes, so 3 items are there. If you delete one item, let's remove Thor, the browser refresh it, it will be 2. And see, there's Thor replaced by undefined because Thor is no more there. So do it, save it. So this is the way you can access, you can get the value of an array, and you can get the length, means how many items are present in that array, in an array. So now we want to print all the elements of Avengers dynamically, because we have put this 0, 1, 2, 3 by hard code, right? So now we want to print all these elements dynamically. So guys, for that we need to write a for loop. So for var I 0 and I less than Avengers dot length I plus plus, and simple, right? Console dot log, within that Avengers I, remove it or block it, refresh it, Captain America, Iron Man, Thor. Now I'm going to explain how this for loop works. So initially the i's value is 0 and it will check I less than Avengers dot length. Avengers dot length means it is 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Then it will come to the it satisfies this condition, I means 0 and length Avengers length is 3, I 0 less than 3. Yes, it comes here, console.log, print that console log, and Avengers I means 0. So Avengers 0, that means that Captain America. So it first prints Captain America, then I plus plus, that means I's value now 1. So now it is checking 1 less than 3. Yes, it is. It's come to this block and print that Avengers I. Now the value is 1. Avengers 1 means that is Iron Man. So next I plus plus, I's value now 2 less than 3. Yes, it is. Print the Avengers 2 means Thor. Then I plus plus, i's value is 3 and 3 less than 3, no, it's not satisfied and it will not come to this block further. So this is the way we can dynamically print the array. So there's another way we can print all the items dynamically using for each loop. Okay, so I will show you in a next video. That's it for today. So next video we will show you more methods on array. We'll do lots of coding, interesting coding, and it will be fun, so don't miss it. Please hit the like button if you like it, subscribe our channel if you are not a subscriber. Guys, you can ask any questions or give any suggestion about the tutorial in a comment section, and please hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.